Since the very first time that researchers appeared in Antarctica around the beginning of 1800, people have been curious about this mysterious continent located at the end of the earth. More than 200 years later, these next questions are still bothering researchers. What is located under the ice, and how can animals survive in such a harsh climate? Starting in the 1950s, scientists started to closely observe this continent, and they were able to make a few important discoveries. There are also a lot of legends that say that alien ships are buried under the ice, that Nazi Third Reich gold is hidden in Antarctica as well. Others believe that there are whole civilizations buried under the ice. However, not everyone realizes that we should be scared of something totally different. For example, on February 6, 2012, Russian scientists finished drilling through the ice and were able to reach an enormous lake under it. This lake hasn't seen the sun for millions of years. Do you think this lake discovery could be dangerous? Stony remains. In 2009, scientists found stony remains of an animal that resembled a cat. This animal lived 250 million years ago. The most interesting thing is that this animal survived a mass extinction by traveling from the warm parts of the earth to the cooler ones. Back then, Antarctica was a part of one huge continent called Pangaea. The Bloody Waterfall. Blood Falls is an outflow of an iron oxide tainted plume of salt water flowing from the tongue of Taylor Glacier onto the ice-covered surface of West Lake Bonny in the Antarctic. This water is 4 times richer than the average ocean water. That is why it doesn't freeze. Leftovers of a plane. This plane crashed in 2013. The plane wasn't found at that time. The plane was found in 2014. It crashed into a mountain and everyone aboard died. There were 3 Canadian researchers involved in the search for the plane. The plane was found on Mount Elizabeth. "100-year-old whiskey." One of the most interesting findings in Antarctica is 2 boxes of whiskey, which had lain under the ice for more than 100 years. A mysterious creature was found 650 meters deep under the ice. This creature has a moving jaw that comes out from the mouth. Scientists still haven't figured out what this creature is. In 2012, scientists drilled under the ice 750 meters and found a lake. They sent a camera under it, but didn't expect to see anyone or anything. However, life does exist under Antarctica's ice. They found a bunch of animals such as small fish, starfish, etc. A mysterious asteroid was found in Antarctica. In 2015, NASA scientists did research on this meteor and found out that this small piece of meteor fell on the Earth 13,000 years ago from Mars. It contained dried microbes that came from Mars. Long skulls. An archaeologist found 3 prolonged skulls. It was a huge surprise, since these skulls were the first human discoveries on Antarctica. Before that, it was believed that no human had ever lived there in the past. As it is known, these long skulls have also been found before in Peru and Egypt. As a result, these discoveries show that in Antarctica, Africa, and South America, they were probably one continent at some point in time. Dinosaur bones have been found in Antarctica as well. In the 80s, scientists found a few dinosaur bones. Dinosaurs were living on this continent 270 million years ago. Scientists believe that back then, Antarctica was located in the southwest region of the Pacific Ocean, and the temperature on Earth was on average 50 degrees higher than what it is right now. Pyramids. It has been many years since people started talking about mysterious pyramids. These pyramids remind us of Egyptian pyramids. Some people believe that these pyramids were built by aliens since it was impossible to build them due to the lack of technology at that time. The first news about mysterious pyramids in the Antarctic appeared in 2013. Anyone can look at these pyramids using Google Maps. That's it for tonight, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.